Okay, welcome back. And today we're going to talk about not new, but we're going to talk more in depth about a type of function called a rational function. And we've talked about rational functions before at the beginning of the semester, the beginning of this class. And so now we're going to start talking in this section, we're going to talk solely about rational functions. So we're going to start with the definition of what a rational function is. And so rational functions are any function of the form of a fraction, right? So rational functions, just like rational numbers, are numbers that can be expressed as a fraction. Rational functions are functions that are expressed as a fractional expression. So in this case here, we have the denominator and the numerator are both polynomial functions. Okay, so that's one of the characteristics. A rational function is where you have a p of x divided by q of x, and p of x and q of x are polynomial functions where the denominator is not equal to 0 for obvious reasons. Can't have 0 in the denominator. These are called rational functions, and this is what we're going to talk about in this section. So that's all you have to know as far as the definition. So next time when we get into, we're going to start talking about a basic function, the most basic rational function. Not just we're going to actually talk about a few, but we're going to talk about like the reciprocal function. We're going to talk about the reciprocal squared function and things like that and how those behave. So we're going to talk about asymptotes and things like that that come up with rational expressions. The domain, how do we determine the domain and the range? Okay, that's going to be important. Okay, but this is the definition of a rational function. So again, a rational function is any function of the form of a fraction where p of x and q of x are polynomial functions, and excuse me, q of x cannot be equal to 0. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.